यस सर।
ओके, तो आपने एक डिस्कनेक्ट कर दीजिए, क्योंकि तो आपको डिस्टर्बेंस होगा ना। Okay, so let's start the session. We are discussing array manipulation. In that, we are discussing something foreign and far off, right? So I will share my screen. Right. Okay. I hope my screen is visible to you.
यस सर, इट्स विजुअल।
Yeah. Okay. Wait, I will open the folder. It's like a WB. Open recent. Which one? WB.
एक्चुअल सर मैंने अपने लैपटॉप में भी कनेक्ट किया हूँ, इसलिए मेरा नाम
ओके ओके,
फॉलो
नो
होगा।
इशू। आपको अगर ठीक है तो आप कर सकते हैं, नो इशू। अगर रिकॉर्डिंग वगैरह करते हैं आप तो वही ठीक है।
यस सर।
Okay, so I will create a. I need to zoom that one because it's not visible to you. So I will create another array inside. It's like array two, array two dot html. Okay. So first thing is what is for in and for of. Okay. So if you want to read the value with the something property as well, so at the time we are using for up and for in. So basically, if you talk about like what is for in, what is for up, for in we are using for it all the property from the array. Like what are the property we have in that, you can read by using for in. If you want to read the value as well, so at the time we are using for up. Okay, I will write in the comment like a comment, so you have to got an idea about that. So this one is a, I will write a array two, array two. Okay. So next thing we have to discuss like a for in. Okay. So I will write in the comment. It's better. Comment. Okay. So first thing is for in. What is for in? For in is basically is a read all the property properties from array. Okay. Next thing is for of. Okay. For of. For of we are using for read all the property, all the values from array. Okay. So next we have to discuss how we can access the value, whatever like if you writing something a array inside that JavaScript. So how we can do that? Okay, let's see. So I need to write the script inside that, like you have to write the mime type. It's like type. It's like type text by JavaScript. Okay. Next we have to write the like something array, any of the array you want. Okay. So I need something array like variable. Okay. The variable I will write something cells value. You can write it cells value. Okay. So I need to write in that array. So it's my meta character. I need to write inside that. It's like something 56,000 or 62,000 or 25,000 or anything like 85,000 or something 64,000. Okay, anything you want, you have to write inside that. Okay, Next, we need to use, if you want to access the for property as well as something value as well. So by using for in, we can do that. Okay. So let's see how. So you need to write like for. Okay. So inside we are using variable. Okay. So variable is like I want property. So that's why I need a property. It's like property. Like which want to you want to access the particularly in the array, like we are creating a variable naming is like sales value. Inside I will assigning something that value inside that, it's an array. So I want to access that one, so I need to write like sales value. Okay. So next thing I will yeah. So next thing we need to write document dot write to print the document dot write. Okay. So next thing you have to access that particularly the tick, and we have to use that double it's like again, and property. Then if I open that one live server, let's see what are the like property it will be access. Wait to second, it will be open soon. Have you of that one? 1 0 0 1 2 3 4, it will be printing that. Why? Because it's a zero index number, one index number, two index number, three index number, four index number. There's a property. If I using inside that for of, to write the value, I want to break the every line. So let's see, it will write the value. Okay. But it's not printed in the next line. Why? You are using VR tag, but it's not affected. Okay. Anyway, it printed that all that value. Okay, whatever value is there inside that array, it will print. Okay. So next thing, if you want to access in that by using for in with property as well as value, so you can. So I will show you that one. What is the issue we are getting? Uh, but it's not open. But I will close and I will open it again. Let's see what happens. What happened inside? We are writing. Oh, sorry, we are writing the value now. So you have to write the value as well.
सर आपके स्क्रीन ये लॉक लॉक हो गया है, मूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा है।
अभी मूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा है.
नहीं सर, कुछ नंबर पे अटक गया है, 5600006200।
Like anyone have a same issue or like you are visible on my screen?
ये सर अब हो गया, अब आप गूगल मीट पे आ गया स्क्रीन।
Okay, okay, ठीक है. Yeah, Prachi ma'am, it's only used for and not array. If you want to access like a particular, if you defining something value, if you want to print like a iteration or like in that time where we are using something like for loop or like a while loop and do while loop. At the same time, we can use like something for in, for of and map function as well. Okay. So this one is the value. Okay. So its value I will by using for of. If I using foreign, it will be print whatever property we have there. If you want to print that something property as well as value, so you have to need to be write something first as property, then it's like props you can write, not issue. uh, so next we have to write props. Okay, so next I want to access the particular value as well. So at the time I will write something uh, cells value, sorry, it's prop. Inside you have to write the prop, props. So why we need why like we have to write these things? Because in the cell value whatever like data is there, it will be goes to the property is like index number. It will print the first index number, second index number, third index number. It will print one by one. Have you of that one? Fasting is that one, like this is the value of geo index, this is the like property of one, and we have a value of 6,000, 21,000, 85,000, and 64,000. Okay, I hope you got this point. So these things we are using for accessing that particularly the manipulation array. Okay, so we are using for that like for in and for off to like something read the property and read the value as well. So next we have to discuss something for loop, how it's work. Okay, so let's start. We have to create something comment inside that for loop. In the for loop we have I equal to 0 means initial value. Okay, we have three sections there in the for loop. I hope you know that these things. So we have something initialization and condition and counter, or like increment decrement or whatever I like told you in that yesterday section. So at the time we are using I equal to 0. Okay, so next thing I is less than cells value dot length. What is the cells value dot length? It will dot length will be goes to the up to that whatever value we are assigning in that it will be goes to that like particularly at the last. It will be starting from the initial position I equal to 0. It will I equal to 1 if it's incremented. So I need to write something semicolon. Sorry, you need to write the semicolon as well in that. Yeah, we are writing these things. So next we have I plus plus. Okay, so it's I like I increment at that. Okay, and its first one is I equal to 0. I is less than cells value means cells value is 0 index and 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index. So it's less than, it will be goes to that like increment, then it will print the value. Okay, so what we need to be print, we need to print the value as well as the index number. Okay, so you have to write document dot write. So inside that I will write like cells value. Inside we have if you want to access something uh, value as well, so at the time we are using index number. By using index number we can access the value. So it's I is my index number, so it's starting from 0. So I then next we have to write something plus. Yeah, if you like you are using for that like something without vector, that time you have to write in that like form. It's like cells value, it's a variable inside we are accessing that particular value from that like index number. It's index number 0, index number 1, index number 2, and index number whatever is goes in. Okay, next we have to, I want this will be printed one by one like in the break line. So it will you need to write that br. Okay, so this will be, this will be first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. Okay, I want to add something inside that last or in between that, it will be from same as well. Okay, it's okay fine now. So I hope you got this point, like how it's work for loop and what is for in and for off. If any doubt you can ask me chat box.
सर स्क्रीन फिर से अटक गया है, ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है या किसी, समझ नहीं आ रहा है।
Anyone have problem like something screen stock in that your whatever I teach you inside that will be stock.
No, sir.
Okay,
It's
गोविंद
not
आप चेक कर लो
perfectly.
इंटरनेट कनेक्शन थोड़ा.
ओके सर।
मी ऑल्सो ओके. ब्रह्मा मैम आप भी चेक कर लो इंटरनेट. इंटरनेट का इशू होगा आपका. Okay guys, wait a minute, I will discuss later. What is the array with that? Okay, so array manipulation we have done. So next thing we'll discuss how we can adding an element into that particularly in the array. Okay, without going to that like you have to write the value inside the array. So we can we have like push method, we have unzipped and zip method, we have there many more. So we have to discuss one by one. So let's start. So first is push. So if I push something inside that something, yeah, wait. So you need to write it's like cells value dot push. Okay. So if you want to push something that value inside like something um Johan, okay, and we have Rita. Okay. If I open that one, have you opened that one? Johan and Rita is there. Okay, it will be push the all the content whatever I write inside that at the last part. Have you observed that one? Okay, but if you want to at the first or what like in that in middle, how can do we can do that? Let's see. So if you want to push something in that write something in the element or like data inside that array, at the time we are using push method to push that value in that last part. If you want in the first, then you have to use onzip. Onzip. Okay, John Rita. Okay, and one question I will get something in the interview, like not interview, one like something quiz. I will get something. I will write a quiz inside that HTML, JavaScript, and React.js as well. So in that, I will get a question about like a something array into the array. So they will asking me that they are giving me an array. Okay, and they like told me we are using something inside that something unzipped. Okay, and we are using shift as well, and at the time we are using something push as well. So it will be like mixing all these things, and you need to be told that what is the output of the last. Because if I give you a like array, it's like only sales value. It's like first one is 5 6 triple zero, or like 6 2 triple zero, two like 2 5 triple zero, and 8 5 triple zero, and 6 4 triple zero, and mobile. We have only six value inside that. When I use like push value, it will be goes to that right like in that last part. Okay, and when I print something in that let the time, let's see. If I using unzip to print like print like adding the value inside that first. If I using something cells value, and inside the push method push, and it will be added to the last part. Okay, if I want to add something device part, okay, mobile or whatever, so it will be goes to that print in that next line. Mobile it will be printed two times. Why? Yeah, we are adding same things. Okay, sorry, I need to change that one. Laptop. Okay, so it will write something. When I want to remove something in that first part, and like in that last part, so at the time we are using shift. If I using cells value dot shift, whatever, let's see, it remove fast one. Have you observed that one? We have Johan and Rita, but in that If I using something in that shift, only shift method, at the time it remove the first one. So it may be a question in that. So you have to got a clarity about that. So what is on shift and shift and push method? Because if you don't have a, like clarity about that, so you cannot give the answer particularly what is the output of that. Okay. Okay, so you have to remember what is the push method and what is the unzipped method. Okay, we have to discuss later what is the shift method as well. So I will show you that how it's work and what is the question you are getting in that future. Okay, so next thing is we have splice method. Okay, I will show you that one as well. Mm, okay, I will write all these things. Comment. I will create another one array. All these things I will create. Okay. So I think function we are creating or not creating. Okay, I will not create. Okay, I will create a function. Okay, function add function is my something function or f1. So what is use of the slice means if you want to add in the specific location any of the particular, like we have Rita and Johan, we have two names, but I want to that add in between that particularly in the after that to 25,000. So how we can do that? We have two option is there in the push or like push and the unsafe to like add something the content or whatever value in that first and last, but how we can add in that in middle of that you have to discuss that one. Yes. So next we have to call that function. One. Okay, so next thing I will write a something variable, it's like product, or you can write any another name. That is my array. Inside I will write the array. It's my something footwear. Something I will write TV and something gents. Gents you can write kurti as well. Okay. And we have to. I want to push something in between that. So product dot price. Sorry, it's SP plus, yeah. So have you of that one? So first thing is we have to splice in that start number, delete count, and number. Okay, delete count, we have delete count and number. So how many you want to delete? If I want to told that one, like I want to delete one, and in the zero place I want to add zero. I want to add something, what is that? Slipper, or you can write a shoe as well. SOES, shoes. Okay, next I will print that one. You can print its document dot write product. Sorry, it's not prompt. Product dot. We are using to string to print that one, right? So I need to open, and then it's the same. Not need to open. Okay. So first thing is TV, shoes, jazz, and kurti is there. Okay. But have you observed one? We have TV and after that jeans. TV after that jeans. But I will add something in the shoe. So first thing is I will delete that first that like one index number, and in that one index number I will add something in that. If I write something two, it will go to that like gens will be same, but in the third one it will be related and it will be goes to that like something source. Okay, so by using splice you can do that. I hope you got this point. If you any doubt you can ask me. Anyone have any doubt? What is the use of zero after one? So basically, we are zero. What is the number? Like in this number you want to add, like something. I will show you. Have you of that one? We have this the syntax of that. We have start in that number, okay, and delete. Delete count. Like how many you want to delete. Inside you have to write number. Okay, this is the something syntax is there. So at the time, like if I write something, let's see what happened inside. If I write something one into one, and next I will write uh laptop is already done. Right? No. Okay. Source TV source kurti. So what is deleted? Jazz will be deleted. It is not there. Okay. So we are told that things like in the one position, in that one position, I want to delete that particular gens. If I want to two, if I write two inside, so it will be deleted after the two. Means kurti as well. It will be deleted kurti as well. So means how many data you want to delete, you have to write in these things. Okay, this is the like delete count. And first thing is number. Like in this like index number, after that you want to delete. Means if I writing something like uh, kurti as well, we have set. Okay, so I will write two. So that's why two like two item is related only for like gents and kurti. If I write three, it will related start as well. So delete count. How many you want to delete? This one is the number. Like in this number, if you want to delete, if I write zero, it will delete TV as well. Okay. If I write four inside that, it will be deleted all these things. Only printed shoes. Okay. I hope you got this point. Brahma ma'am, have you got this point? Method use. Method use. No, sir. Once more. Okay. Okay. I will told you once more. So first thing is, so what is zero and what is, you have to understand the index. Then I will show you. Okay. So first thing is slice. In the slice, first thing is start. Have you observed the slice? We have start inside the number. First one is number. Means it's an index number. Not number. It's an index number. Means in that this index number you want to delete or you want to remove. Okay. And a second thing is delete count. Delete count means how many item you want to delete, that you have to write. And after that, what are the like something content or data you want to add inside in between that, so you have to write these things. Okay. First thing, uh, I want to like something delete jeans and kurti. In between that I want to add shoes. So inside that I need to write one. One is my index something index number. So what is the index number of like particular data? It's gens is the uh, one index number, right? So after that I want to delete two items. This first item is gens and second item is kurti. So next I will write two. Two is my delete count, how many item I want to delete. Okay, we have done. And after that I want to add data inside that. In between that gens and kurti I want to delete that particular item. So at the time we have to write shoes. Okay, let's see. Then two item is deleted and shoes is there. Jeans and kurti is not there. If I don't want to delete jeans and kurti, in between that I want to add in that one position, I want to in the one index number I want to add the shoes. At the time you have to write zero. Means I don't want to delete any particular data. Delete count is zero. Okay. So it will be right TV shoes, jeans, kurti, shirt. Okay. I hope you got this point. why toString method is used to document dot write. Okay. Prachi ma'am, have you got this point? What is the like you have doubt inside that? Then I will go to the next question. Brahma ma'am, have you understand? Okay. Okay. Next thing we have to discuss why we are using toString method in the document dot write. Okay. So if you want to print that array, if you want to like read the array or like print the array in the web page, so at the time we are using toString. Without using the toString, we can do that, not issue. If I write without toString, it's also done, not issue. But we have something, a rule is there. If you designing something, if you go anywhere, if you live in the home as well, we have some rule. This rule means not strict rule. We have followed that any of that particularly relationship relative will come. You have to like respect them, whatever is there. Okay. So in that situation, as a developer, you have to using that toString, you have to print that thing. So anyone can understand. Any of the developer, if you see this course like a code, they will be understand these things. Like you want to print something array. Okay. Next thing, next question is, I hope you got this point. What is why we are using toString? Sir, can you use splice method just delete item without adding any element to array? Yeah, sure, not an issue. Only TV kurti and start is there. Okay, done. If you want to delete two items, then you have to write two. It's number count. Delete number count. You have to write two. Okay, TV has started there. Okay, I hope you clear all these things. If you're in doubt, you can ask me that. I will go there. Okay, great. So next we have to discuss how we can remove an element from an array. How we can remove. We are discussing how we can add element in the array, but now we are discussing how we can remove element in the array. These things you can remove, but we have other item we have. Like if you want to remove to the last part, if you want to remove the first class, how we can do that? Okay, so let's discuss. So first thing, we have pop method. Push method to use to adding the element in the last part, but pop method we are using to. Anyone have any doubt? Anyone asking something?
Jitendra sir,
Yeah. Yeah, Kanika ma'am. Good evening.
सर मेरे को दोनों चाहिए थे।
हाँ बोलिए.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening all.
Yeah, good evening everyone. Yeah, Kanika ma'am is our HR. You know that all these things. So you want to like something add in that meeting. So please listen these things properly. Yeah, continue ma'am.
Yeah, sir, can
Yeah,
you
sure.
stop your sharing screen? Let me know मेरी screen share हो रही है क्या?
हो रही है मैम.
Yes, ma'am. हो रही है.
Okay sir, हमारा Technopedia Career Demonstrations workshop on cyber issue and coding competition on Thunderbolt ये ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है और इसमें हमारे इंटर्न्स को कुछ भी पे नहीं करना है, किसी भी तरह का अमाउंट या फिर कुछ भी रजिस्ट्रेशन चार्जेस नहीं पे करना है हमें। जो आपका वर्कशॉप और ये कोडिंग कंपटीशन है, इन दोनों में आपको सर्टिफिकेट ISO प्लस AICTE अप्रूव आपको सर्टिफिकेट प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा। इनफैक्ट अगर आप थंडरबॉर में क्या कहते हैं विनर होते हो तो आपका अलग से आपके कैश प्राइज और एक्साइटिंग गुडीज आपको मिलती है। ओके, तो इसके लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन वो रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक है, जिसके लिए अगर आप में से कोई भी इंटरेस्टेड होता है तो मेरे को मैसेज कर सकता है। और अदरवाइज इसके लिए अगर आप लोगों की तरफ से इन दोनों में से किसी की भी ये लीड्स आते हैं तो उन लीड पे पर लीड पे आप लोगों का इंसेंटिव होगा भाई। तो मैं एश्योर करूंगी कि आप में से एटलीस्ट ज्यादा नहीं तो एक ना एक लीड तो आए। ओके,
मैम एक बार लिंक
इज
आप
इट
डाल
क्लियर?
दीजिए चैट बॉक्स में, सो जो भी चाहते हैं लिंक जैसे रजिस्ट्रेशन कर देंगे।
या श्योर सर, यू कैन कैरी ऑन, आई विल ड्रॉप इट।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।
श्योर।
Okay guys, so please attend that thunder, so you have to like got a prize if you win in that. So it's a practice as well. Okay, you need to attend this thing section, like whatever like city will be conducted inside that. So one thing is, if you any friend in your college, like in your colleagues, we have any of that particularly senior as well. If you have inside that, so you can uh, text them and like invite them to attend this section, and there will be something get prize as well. And another thing is that like if you winner in that, so it will be announcing in that cd team, so it will be great thing. So that like you know that like in that Kanika ma'am will get a 10,000 rupees in that team marathon. It will be great thing now. So if you winner in that like thunder, then you have to got a something prize money. It will be announcing in that team. So it's a great thing. All these like team will be know your name. It's like a yeah. It's like is that name is there. It will be know all the like whatever I conducting is like Python or like JavaScript or whatever we're conducting. It will be winner, right? So it's a great thing. So I hope you attend all. Please register yourself in that particular link. Okay, go to that link and register yourself, because it's not taking like so much time. I know that you are busy as like so, as well, and every time, but you need to attend for your career and for your professional career in that in the future. Okay, okay. So next we have to continue the session. Okay. So I will give you something 2 or 3 minutes to register that form. You can. Okay. I will continue. It's like 6:57. We continue 7. Okay. 7 o'clock we continue. You can register yourself in that form now. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, we continue that one. I hope my voice is audible to you. I will share my screen as well. Okay. So we're discussing something how we can remove element from the array, right? So we are using pop method. If I using pop, so we have three items. Okay. And in that array we have four items. TV, gens, kurti and shirt. Okay. So if I using a pop method, it will be remove one element, one item. Yeah, one element from that last part. Okay. If I using something shift, it will remove first one. TV, it will remove. TV of that like we have TV, gens, kurti and shirt we have, but it will be remove. Which one? It will remove the TV. Okay, I hope you got this point. Next, we have to discuss how we can do that. Something as a in between that. So splice method, same method. We are not using any on any of the plugin method. If you want to like delete, you have to write one two whatever. Same thing, not issue. Okay. Gens, if you want to delete second one, sorry, second index number, then you have to write second. Okay, will be remove that second one. What is the second one? It's kurti. Okay, kurti is not there. And if you want kurti and sad as well, then you have to write two. Its delete count is two. Okay, I hope you got this point. If you any doubt in that array, we are completed all that like adding element, searching element, all these things. Okay, so if you want to sort an array, then you can. So I will told you like how we can do that. We need to get another comment out, and I will get another variable alpha. Alpha is my variable, and inside I will write array something C. It's my A, and something D inside, and we have to write E and G and J, and we have Z, and we have something K as well. Okay, so we have something alphabet is there. Okay, so next thing you have to write alphas dot sort. Then if you print document dot write, in that you have to alpha dot to string, will printed A C D E G J Z K. So what we have CADEGJZK. Okay, it will print in that uh, like we have ascending order, right? Ascending order we have there, like A B C D is there now. So if I write something A B C D, it's better. Wait, I will A D, I will write the B as well. It's B, sorry, B, and we have D as well. D is the already there. Okay, CAD, D is there, but I need ABCD. That's an ABCD. Okay, so by using sort method, we can sort the particularly. We have reverse method as well there. If I using reverse EBDAC. Okay, if you want to reverse any of the particular, then you can. If I using something inside that, wait, I will change. I want to print that one as a reverse order. I need to write it's like something product dot reverse. Okay, then I will print something as well. I will remove that one as comment. Okay, short kurti gels, and we have TV, and that one we have, but I need something break as well. So you have tried break. Break the line. Okay. Break, no breaking. Breaking. Okay. So not issue. I think array is not allowed to break the line. Okay. So it printed EVDAC. We have sort Kurti and Gens TV. Okay. I hope you that like how we can sort any element and like array, and how we can reverse an element in that reverse order. Okay, we can already done that. First indicate index number and second indicate for uh, first index number, second indicate. Okay, okay. Prachi ma'am, are you asking me that like slice method? Slice? Which one are you asking? Pop method. But in the pop method, I will not adding anything that particularly a number. Wait, I will show you. In that pop method, I will not add. I will only write the pop method just like something product dot pop, products dot pop, and it's like something. Okay, nothing is there. Okay, so I will not add anything. So we have start is not there. Okay, if you write something number pattern, let's see, I will write 2. It will not work anything. Okay, it only will remove only one element, nothing will be. Okay, if you want to remove particularly more than 2 or 3, then you have to use slice method. Okay, I hope you this got this point. Okay, anyone have any doubt regarding array, you can ask me. We come action, we have to go object. Okay, shift and unshift. Okay, so unshift we are using to yeah. My voice is audible to you guys? It's disconnected. You do have network
Yes,
issue.
sir, audible.
Okay. Someone asking me like unzipped and zipped, right? So in the unzipped, we can remove, sorry, adding an element in the first. If you using zip method, so you are using zip method to remove an element from the first line. This is that like that concept. Nothing will be more than that. Okay. Still, you have doubt, you can write in the chat box. So I will explain you again in that practically. Brahma ma'am, unzipped, sir. Okay, unzipped. I will show. Wait. Unzipped, unzipped. Sorry. Meant unzipped. Okay, I will not add anything in that the bracket. Okay, so we have 4 item: TV, gels, kurti, and shirt. I will using unzipped. Unzipped we are using for adding an element. We have to write something. Okay, I will add the name. Okay, from up there, first one. Okay, if I want to using product, product er dot shift, we remove that first one. Okay, first one remove. I hope you got this point now. Brahma ma'am, have you understand? great. Okay, guys. So if you have a doubt, you can ask in the chat box. If you don't have any doubt, we will give your attendance in the chat box, then you can leave. So on that, Sunday is always a holiday. You know that. So next we have discussed the Monday as an object. So what is object and what is classes? What is all these things we have to discuss, and statement as well we are discussing later. Don't worry, we are continuing all these things in that. So in that 30, in that something September 30, we have completed JavaScript. Then we have to go in the Bootstrap. Okay, it may be expanded. It's like 1 to 2, but I think it will be completed in that 4 day. But if maybe in that it will be extended. So according to that, we are designing something. Okay, no issue. So give your attendance as article, then you can leave. Thank you so much.